So I tried to run my OBS in the administrator mode. Hopefully that will solve all of my problems in here and my computer will not freeze. So we'll see. I'll start the timer. Not this one. That would. Fuck that. Fuck. Fuck. Well, I can feel a difference. I am playing a music in another tab, and I think I was not able to do even that with the OBS in the non-administrator mode. 55. Alright. And now the main thing, and that is this guy. And what I will be doing here is to see how my IntelliJ is screwed. It did not exactly work. So last time, so I'll copy those. I would say a little bit. So beginning, end of the line, any except a new line. Okay, so now we will do the dot, and this will be text, and we will say t or t and a t, and we can, yeah, so this one should work. And also if I do here the beginning of the line and here end of the line, that should work as well. Why is it still building? And I can run the timer, right? True. And if I run it again, I should get true too. It takes a long time. True, okay. And now if I do t, just one dot there, that should fail. Because we have TRU, so this should be failing. And the next thing I will do will be single characters in brackets, okay? And true, and the last one did not parse. So, and I will pattern compile. Come on. And here it will be what? Okay, so it will be like this. Then we will have dot matcher. Input will be text, for example. Yeah, and we have false in here as well for the last thing over there, so that is cool. What the fuck is this? Maybe I have to escape it? Or just get dot find. That should be okay now, maybe. Unclosed character class. What do you fucking mean? It's in the parentheses, in the square thingy. So if I do Alt Enter, copy string literal. Okay, so if I run it, do I get some errors? Or no? Okay, so how do I have to escape it, or what do I do? like this maybe. And now it's red illegal escape. Or maybe there should be something like E inside of there. So this is, there should be D or E. After it compiles, after like 1 hour or so, why does it, what's happening in there? That's true. So, if I do text like this, text, so TATEX, something of that, that should be alright. I should get true as well, right? What? So that's all the three characters which I have there. So this one I think should be truthful, true. The result should be true. But what if I have something which is not there, I should get false. Right, so let's say I will have here A, B, C. None of that is in the word text. So here I should get false. What about if I got something which does belong there or something which does not belong there? That is false, okay, and now I can do stx. Can I repeat the characters in there? Will it change something? That is true, and repeating characters, that should be also not a problem. So let's go here, and I say TT, and I think that should be true as well. I can have a look, so none matches any single character not in brackets. Okay. Why is this like a different color? Duplicate character inside character class. Inside character. That is true too. Okay, so now we have not that, so that will be this. So when we say not E, this should be false because we have E in there. Alright. I think so. And if I say not A, that should pass. So the first one should be false. The second one true. Oh, that one is true. So if I do not TEX, that one will be false because should there should be a character, this says, which is not T, not E, not X. If I said previously there should be character which is not T, then here we still have E and X, right? Which we can match against, I think. Yeah, so this is false. And if I have character which is not there, and that was also like, this should be true. So it's false and true, true now. False, true, true. Alright, so what is next? I feel like this is much better. Performance-wise. Beginning of the entire string. Okay, so how that works. So pick a. Okay, so legal escape character. Oh fuck that. So here we will have the A like this, and we say T. How do I illegal? So do I have to have 2 in there? No, now it works. So if I have just oh fuck, just this here. That is the beginning of the string. So this should be through T. If I do this, this should be true T as well. And if I do this, this should be falsy. I think. A true. And then I should get true and then false. True, true, false. If I understand it correctly. Yep. True, true, false. And I will have some chocolate left over. Mm-hmm. This end of the thing. True, true, false. To be. Yep. Okay, so I think I understand that. End of the entire string except a lowable final line terminator. Okay, I don't know what that means or how to test it. So this should, oh, it should be capital Z, right? Okay. We will do replace Z by capital Z. This one, this one, this one, okay. And I could basically do the thing I was doing here. So T, T, and F, the new line something. So what if I do in here a new line after this? So I say N, this is the new line, right? And here I will do the same. Maybe that will be the difference between those two. One should have false and the other one false, and that would be the difference between those two. It's the same. Okay, so I don't know. What do we have next? Okay, so there is quantificators. So the star, that is one or more things. So we say a star that will come positive, E will come positive, and what about I cannot do just single one. Will that be an error? It's written in IntelliJ, so probably. Yeah, there's the exception, so I will delete this line and run it again. And I expect the first one will be true and the second one also. This would be 0 or more. Yeah. Can we somehow do it that it will not match anything? I don't know. Well, the next one will be the dot, and that is one preceding character, I think. I have here that stands for one. so that's probably not what is in there. So there is what? Plus. Okay, so plus. And I also should say that also do this. So, where's the cursor? I don't see the cursor. Oh, fuck that. Where is my cursor? Oh, that's just wonderful. Isn't it? I cannot write. So time to restart. IntelliJ. Boom. Exit. And maybe it will be faster. Restart. And we'll start it again. What is happening with the IntelliJ? Is it starting? I'm not really sure. It's just that. It doesn't do anything. I need to start developing in something else. IntelliJ kinda doesn't do what I want. It shows in my processes here. You see, and it started the JetBrains toolbox, which I use, started this process. It takes a lot of resources, but now my CPU is so like busy. But I don't see the splash screen. over the time limit. Which means we are done. Just waiting for IntelliJ. How great. Alright. We're done. Done is better than perfect. I'll see you next time. Bye.